Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change shape color in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, I add the blue image as a background layer, and then we can add the shape. We can go to Shape Tool, click and hold. We can choose Rectangle Tool, Ellipse Tool, or other shape tool. In this tutorial, I will use Rectangle Tool, and then we can click and drag to draw a rectangle. Now we can see that this is in black color. If you want to change the shape color, we can go to the top option bar. We can find Fill and then click. We can open the Fill panel and then go to Color Picker. Click it and then we can pick a color. For example, we can choose red and I press OK. Then the shape is changed to red. And then we can go to stroke. We can change the stroke color, click it, and then go to color picker again. We can change to white. And we can enlarge the stroke. This is the first option to change color. Another option, we can go to Properties window. If you don't find this, we can go to Window and Show Properties here. Now we can go to Properties window, we can find the appearance, and we can find Fill, and we can change the color. For example, I change to blue and press OK. Alternative, we can choose the gradient color, and then we can change the color in the gradient bar and double click. We can open the color picker and change to purple, for example, and then we can change another color. Change to green and press OK. This is the second way to change the shape color. The third way, we can go to Window and Show Contextual Task Bar. And then we can find Fill here, click it, and then we can have the same option for the Fill panel. And then we can go to Color Picker to pick a solid color. So this is the 3 ways to change shape color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.